In this video, we're going to subtract fractions, and we're going to use a model to help us do that so we can understand it better. So if we have a problem like this that says use the model to help you subtract the fractions, and this is the model that we have. So notice that this little square is cut up into 9 different pieces, equal pieces, 3, 6, 9, okay? And then this little square is the same, 3, 6, 9. And we have 3 filled in here and only 2 filled in here. So you need to understand what each picture shows. So each small square is 1 out of 9. So 1/9. So like we said, there's nine little squares in this big square. So each little square represents 1/9. This one represents 3/9 because 3 of them are filled in. So 3 out of 9 are filled in, or 3/9. And similarly, this square is showing 2/9 because 2 are filled in. So now we subtract 3 minus 2 blue squares, right? Just think of it as subtracting squares. So if we have 3 squares here and then 2 squares on this side, we are left with one square, one of the 1/9 pieces. So this is the same as having 1/9 left. So step 3, let's finish off the drawing, and then it'll be picture clear to you how it looks. So we have this one, which is 3/9 minus 2/9 equals 1/9. So that's how the 1/9 looks when you picture it in terms of this problem. So we just said this is 3/9 minus 2/9 equals 1/9. And that's how you do fraction subtraction. And in the future, you won't use the models. But I have other videos in the description that use different methods to do subtracting of fractions, so you could check those out. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along this lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. And make sure to like and subscribe if you feel you've learned something. And just remember, anyone can do math. Thank you so much for listening.